New Positivity TV. We just want to reach out and say we're sorry to hear about what's going on in Los Angeles with those fires and the people that's been affected by it. New Positivity TV is seen all over the world, and so I would ask that New Positivity family pray for these people and all that's been affected. Even those that haven't, that have loved ones that's been affected. We just want to ask everybody to keep them in prayer, and that the coverage they need to rebuild or whatever they need in their life to move forward, that we ask that they get these things rapidly and things go according to way that their family can get back to some normalcy. And we also want to say that take a look at your policies, wherever you are, to make sure you have the proper coverage for something like this, and check and see what your your company is doing, that's doing the look at that kitty. Hey kitty. Hey kitty. Well, the kitty actually got in the videos, guys. So we just want to continue praying for those guys, and again, check your policies and make sure your policy is up to par to what you need in coverage, and check with your agent. New Positivity TV. Appreciate you guys taking time to visit the channel. You can be visited other channels. You choose to visit ours. Thanks for watching.